Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got this car in. What we're going to do is go ahead and redo the rims completely black. So let's go ahead and take you along for the process.
Wondering if I'ma ever blow. Middle ground. Tearing at the fabric of my soul. Middle ground. Feeling like I'm stuck up in a hole, and these insecurities follow everywhere I go. Middle ground. Feeling like I'm barely getting by.
Alright, before we go ahead and get these stripped, let's go ahead and take a look at these factory powder coated wheels. Yep, those aren't even powder coated on the backside. These aren't powder coated on the backside. None of that is powder coated. They did a shit ass job. Obviously the barrels aren't powder coated because, I mean, why the fuck would you if you're a factory powder coating thousands of wheels at a time? But you know, coming to Supreme Coating, you know, you get your whole rim powder coated the right way. So we're about to redo this and do it the right way. Alright, so we just got these rims out the V17. We got them hanging, draining out a little bit, gonna throw them in the rinse tank and then get them on the pressure washer, gonna rinse off. Drop my phone in that bitch.
I'm about to say, I'm always scared of fucking hold. Piece of tape? Huh?
Alright, and I'm actually not going to spray the whole barrel because these are 22s and they're heavy as fuck. My little weak ass arms aren't going to be able to grab them, so I'm going to have to use the bottom of the barrel to grab them. So my handprint's going to be in them anyways. So that's the reason why the barrels aren't getting powder coated. I apologize. Alright, we just got these rims out the oven. We're going to go ahead and just spray them down with water just so that way we can have them cool down a lot quicker. That's pretty much the only reason that we're spraying them with water, so let's go ahead and just shoot these hose real quick. The good thing about powder versus paint is the minute it comes out the oven, it's pretty much ready to go. So you can mount these hose hot if you wanted to, but to be honest, I already burnt myself, so we're going to cool them down with the water hose. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of it for this one. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. But most importantly, if you're trying to show some love, click the link in the description. Go to www.supremepcoating.com. Buy anything, automatically get entered in for a chance to win you guys some free money. Appreciate all the love, support. See you guys in the next video.
Hang around killers with racks on me. I done made me some plays and put tax on it. It feel good to come all the way back from it. When you up, they gon' say that you act funny.